Prior to beginning with MATIC cost expectation, let us first know more about Polygon. It is an ideal blockchain stage that gives less expensive and lightning-quick exchanges, taking out the intricacies engaged with the decentralized biological system. MATIC has been made with the sole target of a multifunctional and multi-purpose benefit in varying backgrounds. Polygon value expectation is referenced exhaustively in this video. As of late, MATIC network rebranded to Polygon, Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. The current MATIC arrangements stay utilitarian and high need, and the MATIC token remaining part significant for getting and overseeing the organization. Most engineers and tasks need to fabricate their scaling arrangements inside the Ethereum environment to profit from its security and organization impacts. Be that as it may, they battle to explore its unstructured Ethereum scaling scene and manage its execution intricacies. Consequently, Polygon, MATIC, reported plans to upgrade its help for the Ethereum organization to scale quicker and diminish the developing exchange costs. The fundamental goal of Polygon, MATIC, is to diminish the high charges paid on the Ethereum blockchain, alongside scaling for crypto ventures and endeavors. It will acquaint structure with this environment and give a system to assist it with becoming further and quicker. Polygon. The MATIC token. The non-stop dynamic group of Polygon network has delivered interface libraries that are one of their sort. These are devices that assist you with making projects and execute the connection point. The organization likewise brought a special MATIC coin to the majority in the principal half of 2019. The ongoing Polygon cost waits around $0.6461. The ongoing coursing supply is 7,956,181,045 MATIC, and the absolute stockpile of different coins as of now remains a 10 billion MATIC. Polygon ecosystem. Polygon, MATIC, has forever been forceful on associations and acquires steady updates pair with the most recent innovation. Thus the task generally has something imaginative to bring to a platter. One of the top news about the organization is that they have sent off Polygon Nightfall, which is as of now live. Polygon Nightfall is for organizations to have a reasonable blockchain network with permanent protection. With Polygon Nightfall and its forefront optimistic ZK cross-breed approach, organizations will actually want to keep their exchange information hidden from TPs. Aside from Polygon Nightfall, they have additionally presented Polygon Supernets, which is controlled by Polygon Edge. With this adjustable blockchain, clients will actually want to construct and send off blockchain networks according to their particular necessities. It utilizes a measured structure to help numerous frameworks and scaling arrangements. Another news that can emphatically affect the cost of MATIC is that Mark Zuckerberg said in a meeting that he would permit posting NFTs on Instagram and their other family applications. Instagram will hold hands with Polygon, and a couple other blockchain organizations to work with the NFT posting. In addition to that, eBay has likewise sent off its most memorable NFT assortment on the Polygon organization. On the ceaseless rundown of Polygon news, one of the greatest news is that MATIC will be totally carbon unbiased toward the finish of 2022. They made a $20 million promise to balance their carbon impressions and later become carbon negative. Specialized analysis of Polygon, MATIC. The brain research of clients assumes a urgent part in the crypto market feeling. Aside from it, numerous different factors like the essentials of the token, value history, improvement, and acknowledgement of the symbolic assume a significant part as well. No financial backers should depend just on crypto expectation to go with their venture choice. Polygon's local token MATIC has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers and dealers. This infers further reception of Polygon by brokers and financial backers. The downswing that played for the token in 2019 dissipated in the setting of its mechanical arrangements. They were in no way, shape or form a worldview, yet it tends to be said the token was being followed for development. Nonetheless, 2022 has not been a decent one for the MATIC token. The coin cost was $2.58 to start with, however has now reached $0.6142. A regularly and distinctly noticed characteristic of Polygon is that it has shown the most whimsical and fluctuating way of behaving, particularly this year. The pattern line demonstrates that the cost has been diminished by over 75%. The 57 cents is the quick help level from where the MATIC cost has skipped as of late. The ongoing cost is much underneath the 50 and 200 EMA levels, demonstrating that the coin doesn't have a lot of solidarity to start an upswing temporarily. In any case, the MACD line is showing somewhat bullish force as it exchanges over the signal line. Simultaneously, the RSI is exchanging at 37 in the unbiased zone. Polygon, MATIC, Price Prediction 2022. The huge DApp reception and numerous innovative overhauls drove the general development of MATIC costs. The associations and partnerships will push the versatility of the organization to 65,000 exchanges each second. The ongoing cost of Polygon, MATIC, is exchanging around $0.6461. As per Polygon Cost Expectation 2022, the coin cost might attempt to recuperate from the new market slump. With our cost guess information, merchants will actually want to pursue better venture choices. Here is our month-to-month Polygon coin cost expectation for the year 2022. MATIC Price Prediction 2023. As per MATIC Coin Cost Forecast 2023, the cost of Polygon might have its portion of cloudy days. The worth ought to cruise serenely at $1 or max do homage $0.8, not falling yet playing predictably during the main portion of 2023. From that point forward, our Polygon crypto cost expectation 2023 demonstrates that it wouldn't be a misrepresentation to track down the worth at $1.03. MATIC's future exhibition has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally encouraging way. The token might fill quickly, particularly for partnerships. New partnerships would carry MATIC to the spotlight, making it the middle stage as a wise speculation choice and a socially regarded digital currency. All the while, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an intense test for crypto opponents of MATIC coin cost. According to the Polygon MATIC cost forecast, the coin will be in a superior state, contrasted with the year 2022. MATIC Price Prediction 2024. In light of the estimate information, the Polygon cost forecasts project that the coin would begin the year 2024 with a typical cost of $0.9. By the primary portion of 2024, the cost could raise a ruckus around town mark. The most extreme Polygon MATIC cost would be around $1.07.